Hello YouTube and fellow Jeepers. This is my 2001 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and for those of you that don't know, that is the one that has the 4-liter straight 6 in it. And I bought this one as an upgrade to that one, which is a 97 SE, which has the little 4-cylinder. It was actually pretty peppy. I was surprised when I started driving it, but still nothing compared to the 4-liter that's in this. I just got this one a few weeks ago, and I'm getting ready to put this MagnaFlow glass pack on it. Because you can see that product number right there, 18135. And I was basically just going to make this video as a comparison for the stock exhaust sound compared to that glass pack sound. So I'll go ahead and start this thing up for you. Well, there you go, guys. I hope that turned out alright, because I was recording this on my phone. So, yeah, I'm actually going to be putting that muffler on later this evening, and I'll try to put that video up either tonight or tomorrow. But, thanks for watching, guys.